Hello, good morning, students. Today, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I have come with a new topic. Its name is Adjective. This is for Class 6. Hope you enjoyed this class. Go through this class. So, we will see that adjective and their kinds. Recently, we learned about pronoun. Now, we learn about adjective. The word which describes or qualifies a noun or pronoun is called an adjective. The adjective which describes a noun or pronoun, वो शब्द जो संज्ञा और सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताता है उसे हम विशेषण या एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं. You can see examples. Just like if I take one example, this is a marker, and this marker is a noun. Marker is a noun. And the color of the marker is white. So the word white is called an adjective because it is describing the color of the noun. So whenever a noun describes any person, anything, their shape, their color, their size, if I say he is tall, she is naughty, so whenever these all things are described, we call it as an adjective. You can see some examples are here. I have a beautiful dog. I have a beautiful dog. So here, noun is dog. And what he has? He has a dog which is very beautiful. Next, you are tall. The word tall is an adjective. Here, the beautiful word is adjective. And here tall is an adjective. Why it is an adjective? Because it is showing the quality of you. You is pronoun. You is pronoun. And tall is an adjective. So this tall word is describing about you which is pronoun. Next example, he has 2 cows. He has 2 cows. So the person has got cow which is in number 2. So 2 is showing the number and it is used for cows, describing about the cows. The number of cows are 2. Next, this pen is mine. This pen is mine. So you can see this is followed by pen. So the word this is an adjective which is describing about pen which is noun. Next, whose house is this? Whose house is this? So this is noun, this is also noun. So the word whose is an adjective. The word whose is an adjective. So you can see here beautiful, tall, 2, these, whose, these all are perfect example of adjectives. Now we will go through the kinds. For class 6 there are 6 kinds. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjectives. So there are 6 kinds. What are they? Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, possessive adjective, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective. Now we will learn about the kinds of their definitions and the examples. Now we will come to definitions of adjective of quality. See, adjective of quality. First, in adjective we can see good, bad, blunt, short, charming, blue, etc. So these are the examples. Now see the definitions. The word which shows the quality of a noun or pronoun. If the word is showing the quality of a person or a thing, that is called an adjective of quality. We can see the examples by making sentences. You can see here, he is a good boy. So the word good is an adjective. Why it is an adjective? Because it is showing the quality of the boy. There is a boy who is very good. Now the knife is blunt. The person has got a knife which is not sharp. It is blunt. So the word blunt is an adjective. It is used for the quality of knife. In next example, you can see your dress is blue. Your dress is blue. So it's showing the what kind of the dress is. It is in blue color. This is a charming flower. The flower is very charming. Charming means beautiful. So these are the examples of adjective of quality. Adjective quality always answers the questions of what kind. What kind. Whenever we ask what kind of dress, what kind of person, what kind of thing is there, then we can give the reply with the help of adjective of quality. And now next, adjective of quantity. In adjective of quantity, we can see some, much, enough, little, all, etc. So this is showing the quantity, at what amount the thing is. You can see the definition, the word which shows the quantity of things. At what much, how, in what amount the thing is described by adjective of quantity. You can see by these examples in sentence also. He had little milk. He had little milk. So we cannot count the milk, but we can just feel that the quantity. They have enough rice. They have got enough rice. So we are just assuming that they have got enough rice. I spent all wealth in lockdown. We were in a great disaster period. In that period, he has lost all his wealth. He has spent all his wealth, which he has saved for the future. So the word all is describing adjective of quantity. Because we cannot count the wealth. We can count the rupee, but we cannot count the wealth. You have much knowledge. So knowledge cannot be counted. So the word much, you have much knowledge. So now we will learn about adjective of number. Now learn about adjective of number. As you know, adjective number will show about the number of person, number of things. Just like 4, 5, first, second, some, fews. You can see here 4 and 5. These are showing the countable. This is used for the countable nouns. First, second for the countable nouns. And some few are used for uncountable noun which you cannot count. Now see the definition, the word which shows number. The word which shows number. I have 4 numbers. I have 4 mobiles. Here the word 4 is used for mobiles. In what amount it is? It is in 4. This is the first video of adjective of an adjective. Adjective word का पहला जो ये क्या है? First video है. The word first is used for video. Video is a noun, and the first is an adjective. I have some interesting books. Here you can say the some is used, is showing the number, which is uncountable noun. He has got interesting books which are in some. They had few books of science. उनके पास few books of science. They have had few books of science. The word few is used for books. He may have 3, he may have 4. So it is uncountable nouns. You can just imagine only. So they had few books of science. So you can see that 4, first, some, few. These all words are signifying adjective of numbers. 4 first is showing. 4 first is what? CN, countable noun, and the some few is uncountable noun, UN, uncountable noun. Now we'll come to next definition, that is called possessive adjective. Possessive adjective shows possession. The word which shows possession. The word which shows possession. Possession means ownership, adhikar. My, his, our, your, its, their, her. So these all words signifying possessions. You have got any things, if that is, you can say this thing is mine. No. So this is my pen. Here you can say the word my is an adjective. You are your judge. Here the your word is an adjective. You can see my is followed by pen, your is followed by judge. So these all are words. All words are noun. So I love our school. Here the word our is used as a possessive adjective because it is showing the possession. I love our school. These are their flowers. The word there is showing possession, ownership. I love its design. The word its is showing possession. So it is a possessive adjective. Hope you all are enjoying these classes. Now we learn about demonstrative adjective. The adjective which points out a noun or pronoun. It means it's point out a noun. Suppose that if there is a flower and you are pointing at it, you can say this is a flower. So you are just pointing to it. No. If it is in large amount, then you can say these are flowers. And if it is at close is for this and these. But if you talk about far, then you will use that and those. You can see the this, that, these, those. The word which points out a noun or pronoun is called a demonstrative adjective. This pen is yours. You can see this pen. Pen is a noun. So this pen is yours. If you say that this is your pen, the word this will be demonstrative pronoun because it is followed by verb. And now here you can see the word noun is followed. Whenever there is adjective, there is this, that, these, those, plus noun, then it is called an adjective. But when there is verb, then it is called pronoun. So this pen is yours. These pens are yours. This is used for singular person or thing, and this and that is used for the singular. You can see this, that is for singular, and these, those is for plural. These and these are used for near thing or near person. That and those is used for far thing or far person. Now we will go through interrogative adjective. What, which, whose. The word which asks a question is called an interrogative adjective. What time is it? What? You can see noun is there. Which subject do you like most? Whose pen is it? In pronoun, we use 9 WH words, but in adjective, we only use 3 words: what, which, and whose. If I say, what is your Here the word W, what, is used as interrogative pronoun. But what time? So if we use what, which, whose with noun, then it is called interrogative adjective. But if it is verb, then it is interrogative pronoun. So the word what, which is used for person, or the word what is for the things. Which subject you like most, which is also used for the particular thing. Whose pen is it? Whose pen is it? So here whose is used as an interrogative adjective. You can see these are the noun words. Whenever there are nouns with the word WH word what, which, whose is called an interrogative adjective. Hope you all enjoy these classes. I will give the questions in your group classes. Hope, thank you so much. That's it.